Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your grade 11 financial mathematics. Today we are looking at depreciation. Okay, we are looking at depreciation. All right guys, you are now in grade 11. You remember in grade 10 you did appreciation, otherwise you simply called it interest. All right, you simply called it interest. So now, where do we go or where do we come from with this depreciation? Now, here's a thing that you need to know. The moment you leave a store and you unpack that gadget or that equipment, whatever thing you has value to you, the moment it leaves the store and you start using it, its value as compared to the cash price when you bought it reduces. In other words, depreciate. Okay, so depreciation can also be estimated using relevant formulas. We are not going to do much on them with the derivations and all that. However, we need to mention here that depreciation is the opposite of appreciation. Okay, it is the opposite of appreciation, or is the opposite of interest. Okay, so just like with appreciation, which you recall you used to deal with simple and compound interest, we have two types of depreciation, which we call simple and compound depreciation. Okay, so we're going to look at them and then conclude this video with some example, maybe one or two. Okay, but this is not different to what you've been doing in grade 10. Right, now let's look at, we're gonna differentiate these guys. So we're gonna look at simple depreciation. Okay, we're going to look at simple depreciation, and then we're gonna look at compound depreciation. Okay, and then we're going to look at compound depreciation. Okay, oh, the line is awful, much better. Now, this one is also known as straight line depreciation. Okay, it is also known as straight line depreciation. Okay, straight line depreciation. This one is also known as reducing balance depreciation. Also known as reducing balance depreciation. Okay, it is also known as reducing balance depreciation. Okay, so what is this? This is a straight line with a negative gradient. Okay, it is a straight line with a negative gradient. Okay, it is a straight line with a negative gradient. Now, what is this one? This one is, perhaps let's call it a frowning parabola. Okay, a frowning parabola. Okay, a frowning parabola. Yeah, it's a frowning parabola. 1/2. Okay, it's a frowning parabola 1/2. Okay, it's a frowning parabola. Okay, I think it's better to put it that way. So in other words, I'm saying with this one, you will see it like this. Okay, and then, oh, okay, let's say this is I. Normally it's, oh, what is it? It's N, and then this is A. Okay, and then this one, you will see it like this. Okay, so it's A, and this is N. As you can see, it's a frowning parabola, 1/2 of it. Okay, so now the formula that we use for this guy, is this one here. It is A equals P. Remember, it is the same as straight line interest or simple interest, but it is the opposite, meaning it has a negative. So this is 1 minus I times N. And what is this one? A equals P into 1 minus I to the N. Okay, so these are the formulas. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, you still remember in grade 10, you said this is the accumulated amount. Right now, we will call it the book value. Okay, we will call it the book value. This is the principal amount. This is the interest rate. This is the number of years. Okay, right now, we will call it the book value. Okay, so we're not going to dwell much on this, but just this information. So remember, guys, the reason we're giving you this is to basically make you aware that sometimes you will not be given a scenario of like you used to. You can be given a graph like this and you are expected to calculate whatever your book value. Okay, so remember I said this, you can call it, it is not the accumulated amount, but the book value. Okay, or value of your item after it has gone depreciation for some time, right? Otherwise, it's better to call it a book value. Okay, perfect. Let's go now. So we gotta look at examples now without any waste of time. So this video will not be very long. So let's see. We're going to say a machine, okay, a machine costs 25,000 rand in 2016. Calculate the book value. Okay, calculate the book value of the machine after 4 years. After 4 years. Okay, if it depreciates at, I think I should say at 9%. If it depreciates at 9% per annum compounded monthly. Okay, compounded monthly. Oh, no. It's fine to say at 9% per annum, okay? So let's see, calculate the book value of the machine after 4 years. If it depreciates at 9% per annum, according to 1, straight line depreciation. According to straight line depreciation. 2, reducing balance method. Yeah, reducing balance method or reducing balance depreciation, whichever you like. So remember this, you can call it reducing balance depreciation or reducing balance method. Okay, reducing balance depreciation or reducing balance. Okay, right. So now this is in fact the only example we're going to do. So of course we're looking at what is the book value using straight line depreciation and using reducing balance method or reducing balance depreciation. Okay, so now let's get our solutions. So our solution, remember the book value is what we are looking for. This machine costs 25,000. Its interest is 9% per annum, so which is basically 9 over 100 is 0.09. And this is for how many years? I think we said 4 years. Let me go back to check. I'm going to go back to check. Yes, after 4 years. Okay, after 4 years. All right. Now, let's see. The first one said using straight line depreciation. So with straight line depreciation, we say A equals P into 1 minus I times N. Okay, what is this? So this is this is 25,000 rands. 25,000 rands. Open bracket. Oh, I don't know why this thing keeps happening. 25,000 rand, open bracket, 1 minus the interest rate is 0.09. The number of years is 4. So what is this? So this is 25,000, open bracket, 1 minus 0.36, I believe. Right? 1 minus 0.36. Okay, so this is 16,000 rands, guys. This is 16,000 rands. Okay, this is 16,000 rands. So this is the value of the machine after 4 years if it depreciates on a straight line basis. Okay, on a straight line method. Okay, perfect. Number 2, we're looking at reducing balance method. Okay, number 2, we're looking at the reducing balance method. So on the reducing balance method, the machine we said was 25,000 rands, and then the interest rate is 0.09. That's stroke to the power 4. Now let's see. Power 4. So what do we have? We have 17,143 rands and 74 cents. Okay, 17,143 rands and 74 cents. Ooh, so it seems it's better if your equipment, this one, if it depreciates on a reducing balance method, than on a straight line method. All right, guys. So this is exactly what you will be doing in grade 11. Remember, depreciation is the opposite of your interest or your appreciation. Okay? All right. So with that being said, I want to believe that we have come to the end of our lesson. And remember, if you would like to get in touch with us, you can visit our website, www.ramtasolutions.co.za. Remember, when you are on our website, you will see all these icons at the top of our website. These are your social media platforms. You can click on any of them to follow us. And of course, this is probably where you are watching the video right now. Please subscribe. You can like the video and you can also share with your classmates and friends. Okay. And if you are looking for a tutor, you can send us a message on WhatsApp or you can send us an email. But remember, guys, if you are looking for a tutor, please let it be that it is your parents that should communicate with us first. Okay, let's communicate with your parents and finalize things. Then we will talk to you. So we create a program package that's specifically designed for you, for your needs. When we are ready, we will talk to you. We will interview you so we understand what your needs are. And trust me, you will get the best service. All right, but remember, having a tutor doesn't guarantee success. You also need to study. Okay, but we will be there for you. So, this is it, guys, and bye-bye.